Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of DG videos for you all this week. We have tons of glitches, an awesome penny list, we had surprise pennies, and I kind of shot myself in the foot just a little bit because I uploaded 3 videos within a 24-hour period without even thinking about it. So some of you all may not have received those notifications, so if you've missed out on any of these videos, please go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about this DG clearance event. Now, Dollar General is up to some crazy things here lately, and I'm just going to say, I quit. I quit because your girl has been working overtime for the past month. We have had deal after deal after deal, DG store coupons, glitches galore, surprise pennies. I mean, it's to the point now to where I have to be really selective about when I put out videos, which deals I'm going to put out, what we're going to talk about, all of the things. Now, of course, hopefully you guys know I am just kidding. I'm just kidding. I am not going to quit Dollar General couponing, and I am not going to quit putting out YouTube videos and sharing my deals. But to be honest with you all, when I heard that there was going to be a Dollar General clearance event this weekend, those were the words that came out of my mouth, because I knew your girl's going to be up all night trying to find coupon matchups and all the best deals to share with you all. And not to mention that I already had 3 more videos lined up for us this week, ready to rock and roll. So Dollar General did throw a little wrench in my plans, but I guess if we have to have a problem, this is a good problem to have, because this Dollar General clearance event is going to be amazing. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the details. So, this Dollar General clearance event is going to start on Friday, September the 1st and run through Monday, September the 4th. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is going to be a 4-day Dollar General clearance event. And this is really going to work out in our favor, because for this Saturday, Dollar General has given us 2 store coupons. We've got a 5 off 25 and we have a 10 off 40. And just as a FYI, you guys may want to swing by the store and look in your self-checkout trash can, because those are also printing off at the register at the bottom of the receipt. So go ahead and grab you a couple of extra. Now, also it works out in our favor because on Sunday, we're going to get all new digital coupons. So we will have all new digital coupon matchups for Sunday and Monday. So now let's take a look at what is going to be included. First up, we have our clearance section. So again, that means amazing coupon matchups, super cheap items, freebies, and overages. Next up, we have the POG clearance items that are going to be included. So if you see anything around your store with an orange percentage off sticker, all of those items will be included as well, which means that we're going to have tons and tons and tons of hidden clearance items. So you're going to want to make sure that you stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and make sure that you come back and check out every video that I upload on this clearance event. Next up, we have select hand sanitizers and wipes, and I have a feeling that this will also include the masks as well. Next up, we have the purple dot items. Now, we need to talk about this one for a minute, because I know there was a lot of confusion yesterday with what was going on with the purple dot items. They were supposed to drop down to 90% off. Most stores were showing 70% off, and then throughout the day, it was kind of going back and forth. I kept checking some UPC codes. Sometimes things would show up at 90% off, and then 2 minutes later they would show up as 70% off. So I'm not quite sure where the coin has landed today. I know that at a lot of stores they were manually adjusting that down to 90% off at the register. However, I feel like DG probably realized, oh, we're having a clearance event this weekend. What are we doing marking this down to 90% off now, when it can be an additional 50% off or 70% off during the clearance event, and then mark it down at 90% off next week. But again, I don't know that for sure. That's just, kind of my thoughts on it. So once again, we're just going to have to wait and see how that all plays out. So make sure that y'all scan before you go up to the register. Ask your employees if they want to manually mark those down for you. And we're all going to cross our fingers and hopefully DG will fix it in the system to where Purple Dot is ringing up 90% off before this clearance event. All right, now also included in this clearance event, we have the Green Star socks. Now, I don't have a ton of visuals for these sock categories, but I do have a few thanks to some amazing crazy couponers. So here's what you want to be on the lookout for. These all have like a gray tag on them, hang tags, wraparound tags, and they do range in size all the way down to the little bitty tiny socks all the way up to the adult socks. So high, look low, look everywhere you go, because these will be a fantastic price during this clearance event because they are already marked down to 70% off. Now up next, we also have the gray diamond socks, and the same thing goes with them. They are all in very similar packaging. They all kind of have those gray tags or the gray wraparound tags, and again, they range in sizes from the little bitty tiny baby socks all the way up to the adult socks. All right, now for our next category included in this clearance event, we have the Memorial Day flowers. Now these are already sitting at 90% off, so during this clearance event, they will be an additional 50, or possibly if you find a 70% off store, they will be even cheaper. So dirt cheap Memorial Day flowers. So an amazing deal. So again, all of these categories are going to be an additional 50% off during the clearance event, and some stores will be an additional 70% off. So just keep that in mind. Prices can vary from store to store. Now, what can you do between now and then to get ready? Well, number one, make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set them to all. You also might want to go and follow me over on Instagram, as I always post whenever I upload new videos or have anything to share. I post it over there as well. So if you're on Instagram a lot, check me out over there. I'm also going to be leaving an amazing video that I put together. It is all about DG clearance events in general. I answer the most frequently asked questions. It is called How to Shop the Dollar General Clearance Events. I give you guys all my pro tips, all of my tips and tricks for free. So make sure that you check out that video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And like I said before, make sure that you all stay tuned. Now, typically when we have had DG clearance events in the past, I have known well ahead of time. So I've had time to prepare, get videos together, get deals lined up, and we usually have videos uploading every single day leading up to Friday. However, as you guys know, today is Wednesday. So your girl is going to be working overtime tonight and Thursday night to get out as many videos, as many coupon matchups, as many deals as possible. So again, make sure that you all stay tuned. This time around, it might be a little bit different, but either way, it's all going to work out and it's all going to be fantastic. So once again, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.